could be in focus. One name, however, that is in focus today is Max Ventures and Industries Limited. It got listed yesterday. The management is now joining us on a phone line. Mr. Sahil, Managing Director at Max Ventures and Industry. So firstly, congratulations for the process of listing. Can you just talk to us about Max Ventures and Industry now, what essentially the company has after demerger from Max India?
Yes, thank you. Max Ventures and Industries is the demerged arm of the original Max India and currently holds our packaging films business. This is a manufacturing business which makes specialty polymer films for packaging in other industries. In addition to this, Max Ventures and Industries will be incubating 3 new verticals. The first being called Max Estates, which is going to be a real estate development company. The second, an education company in which we are still incubating at stage and deciding which segment of the education vertical we will be in. And the third vertical is an investment vertical where we would make investments in early stage growth companies across sectors in tech-based financial services, healthcare, education, senior living, hospitality, and F&B.
You also, the promoters also gave an open offer. Can you just tell us the rationale behind that? 40% was the stake earlier. Are they very keen on 75% stake?
The rationale for the open offer was because from the original Max India, there was a diversified conglomerate with various businesses, and the open offer was basically to give an exit to various investors who had invested in Max India either because of the insurance and healthcare business and following the policies of good governance that Max Group follows, which is why we announced the open offer. The intent is to increase our shareholding from 40% to go up to 75%. We have announced the open offer yesterday.
Right. No intention to delist the company, right?
No, there is no intention to delist the company.
Right. Just talking about the other verticals. So we had the plastic business, which was there earlier. Can you just talk to us about the real estate and the investment business? How will it be funded? Do you expect further promoter funding, or we already have cash?
We will have to raise funding for both our real estate as well as our investment vertical, and we intend to do that through various sources in due course. We are at an early stage right now, like I said, because we are incubating the verticals, and in due course we will evaluate all opportunities. Particularly for the real estate vertical, we have access to a very large land bank that is owned by the sponsor of almost 6 to 8 million square feet in and around the NCR region. And in a sense, that is an asset-light model, if I may call it that. From the investment vertical perspective, like I mentioned, the idea is to make early-stage growth investments in sectors where Max has a certain affiliation or an investment or an involvement, so we can contribute not just financial capital, but strategic capital to the investee companies and hope to take them to the next level.
Right. The funding that you mentioned will be done at the entity level. So it will not be a Max Ventures funding. It will be a funding coming in at the real estate level or at the investment level.
That's right. The real estate and the investment vertical are both wholly owned subsidiaries of Max Ventures and Industries.
Right. And even if there is any fundraising, it will happen at their respective levels.
Yes, we will have opportunities to do it at the respective levels and also at Max Ventures. We haven't decided that, but the option for us to do either is open.
Right, Sahil. Thank you so much, Sahil, for explaining us what Max Ventures is about and what are the plans going ahead. That was the new listing of Max Ventures. Second day in a row, Max Ventures on a circuit. Probably huge plans coming in for real estate and the investment arm.
Absolutely. And of course, we'll have many more stocks like that which are buzzing in trade. We'll talk about them after this short break. Stay with us.